In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete data validation from a form. So in this example, I have a form and it asks for a name and an email address. But if I want to hit none, it will tell me must be a valid email. Now this could potentially cause people to either not be able to submit the form or insert dummy data like andy@gmail.com, which is not someone's email address, but it is an email. So if you want to get around that, and you just want people to be able to leave it blank or type in none or something that's not the appropriate type of data, let's go to our editor and see what we can do. So here I'm editing the form. I have email address here, and it says short answer text, and right underneath it, it says text email. This area here is the data validation. We can also go to the bottom 3 dots here, more options, and uncheck response validation, and that will disappear. One other way is over on the right of this data validation, we can click the X button. So that's 2 ways to delete the data validation. And anytime we make changes, as long as we're online, it'll say up here, all changes saved in Drive. So if we refresh this form and put in Andy, we can see that now we can submit that form appropriately. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.